welcome. I'm Albert, your Reiki Grandmaster. In this Reiki session for today, let's tackle to remove your debt. Yes, your debt removal. And we use positive affirmation and motivation to help to remove that feeling of having debt. Because that will bring on worry and concern, so you don't want to feel like that. Let's get that out of your head and make your head feel peace. You gotta focus on things that are part of the life. Because right now, I told you, you're in the second level. And in the second level, there's many things and challenges ahead. And these challenges help you fulfill your destiny. And your destiny is to live out your life. But you can change. Level 1, which is your future. Level 2 is where you are now. That's the level you're at. And you have debit, mounting debit, constantly relying on those cards to make your life easier. But those debits have to be paid off. And you have to strategize, and you have to budget yourself. What is needed and what is not needed. And what is needed is the things you need to survive in this world today. So much. And the money that is needed to make this happen is what you have to strive and work for. To make that money be abundance as well. But we gotta take care of that debt. And that debt is what's holding you back. And you want to free yourself from feeling that debt. Let that money come to you. Let that money come to you. Let that money come to you. Free yourself. Free yourself that's causing you to not to have that. Free. You don't want to have that on you. Debit. Debit is not good to have too much of that piled up. Because when you have that piled up, you can't take care of yourself. You have to work harder and harder and harder to make ends meet. And you're struggling every day. Where is this money going to come from? You're worried about so much bills. All these bills every day. All these bills, they pile up each and every day. You can't seem to make ends meet. All these bills constantly. Don't worry about that right now. You take care, you budget, you plan, and you don't spend out of control. Because when you spend out of control, you don't have that money. And the minimum and the what's due now has increased and gone beyond. Stay away from cards that offer you anything you want, but yet the interest rate is higher than 30%. Or you have to pay a maintenance fee yearly or monthly. You gotta stay away from cards. Consolidate if you can. That means take all the cards charges and put on one card and pay that off. Because you'll have an opportunity to do so. If you have a card that is a low interest and they say, hey, I can help I can pay the cards off on one card instead of having a multitude of cards in there. Yeah, you have to consolidate. You have to put things together. You have to focus. This is a strategy. And you have to write down the plan. You have to figure out what you have to do. Don't buy things you don't need. Focus on what you need and have your meals. You have to change your life. It's a life-changing situation where your life is different now and it's not the same anymore. Maybe it's time to make that change in your life. Because what you do in level 2, because you're living in the now, can affect level 1, the future you. Don't worry about 3. As I told you, 3 that's gone. You move every day, you move ahead. And each day you move ahead, you feel different in each day. Each day is a different day. And each day you fulfill a new day. And as you feel a new day, this energy is there for you. We gotta take out the negative, the blockages, and everything that's keeping you down, worried, confused, and you can't adjust. I want you to see you get out of that debt. I want you to have that, to remove that debt. Gotta free yourself and be more self-aware. Gotta get out of this thinking, hey, I can pay it off, but it'll take time. Right, you can pay it off and it'll take time. And how much do you send them is more than what they're asking. Sometimes it's 3 times the amount. Yes, 3 or double the amount. Because there's an interest rate charge, right? Yeah, so that has to be taken care of. So it's almost like 3 times the amount. 1 is for the interest rate. The other 2 are to pay off that debt. And that's how you have to think. Because you don't want to fall into any pit. We want to get you out of that pit. And so you can move on and make your life more adjustable and easy so you can feel healed. So let me take this time to ease your mind. Ease your mind on getting that healing. But that's what this is all about, is to heal you. Make you have that understanding. Make you feel good. You feel good inside. Take a deep breath and relax. Calm down. Have that peace of mind. Have that peace of mind and knowing that you can achieve it. You can do it. I know you can. Everybody needs somebody to be there, that referee, that in-between person to get you going, to get you motivated, to help remove that debit, to take off that debit off of you so you can take care of what you need to take care of. Bills, loans, whatever it is that you need to take care of. Or getting a better job to take care of these things. Sometimes a lot of people get more than one job. I know, I've been there myself. It's tough. But I thrive to say, I'm going to do it, I'm going to take care of this, and I'm going to make it happen. Because if you stay focused, things happen. And when things happen, good things come your way. You know that, right? But peace and love and happiness and joy. You take care of your family. If you're by yourself, then you don't have to worry too much, but you still have to take care of your debt. Sometimes it's not easy, but you can do it if you stay on top of things. Whoever you're working for, talk to them. Say, hey, I have to take care of some problems, and I need them to make extra. Is I can work some extra time? Find out if you can work extra time. And do the best you can. Because they're giving you an opportunity. So you do the best you can and make that extra effort. Volunteer too, because that shows effort. They might say, hey, want to make more money? We'll give you an opportunity. We'll promote you. And then you get that promotion. Hey, that's great. That's what you want. You want the promotion. So you can move on and get that job that you need and or that extra money to take care of that debit. So these are the things you have to do. Get a better job. Don't listen to others because they'll say, oh, you don't want to do any other work because if you do any other work, you're not gonna be happy. They are the naysayers. You don't need to follow them. You need to follow the right path, and this is your path. Do the work. Do as much as you can. Don't overwork yourself. Don't take on too much, because if you take too much on, then you're gonna feel it's gonna be too much for you. You want to do as much as you can, but have free time for yourself and your family. Don't overlook the family or your girlfriend or your boyfriend, whoever you're with. If it's just you, then you can do more, much more work, and take on more responsibility. Because if you do it, you move up in the ladder. And they offer a higher position, you grab it. That's paying more, bonuses and stuff, and they recognize you, you do good. That's the way to succeed. That's how I found out in the long term. I had no one to coach me on, but I stayed on top of things. Find out things, find out openings, find out just before everybody else. Because everybody's out for the same thing. To succeed and make that extra money. And to make that extra money, you take that extra money, you save it, and you pay off your debt. You save it, you pay off your debt. You take some money out, what you save, throw it in savings. If you have to pay extra debit, whatever you got, the bills kind of pile up. You don't want them to pile over you. And don't break down and be afraid. Stand up, because you can do it. You just have to have the push and the might and the will to do it. Do the right thing and feel that healing. And you got it. If you have this time now, I want to ask you, hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Because that's all I ask you for, to subscribe. Thank you for doing so. If you want to be a member, and thank you members. Thank you members. Thank you for your monthly and your daily support. And subscribers, thank you for your daily support as well. They support me because of my efforts. Here, I work very hard. I get you sessions every day. Every day you have sessions, a lot of sessions. But it's not just the number of sessions, because there's so many things to cover. And I try to cover everything that is helpful, like this, the debit, because we all go through this. I go through it too, and I have to share how I think about all of that. Because you want to get ahead. Sure, you can play the lottery if you have somebody that can kick you in the right spot. Now, I gave away a number one time in one of the outdoor sessions, and that same day that number came out. But can't do that. That's just not why this is here. Because this is to help you get through in life. Get through and settle the debt. That's important. You want to remove the debt and you want to settle that debt. So you can have a peace of mind and not have that on a burden on you, because you don't want to have that burden in life. You could have that burden. It's not good because it's going to worry. You're going to worry. You're going to fret. You're going to be unhappy. You don't want to have it. You want to be free. You want to be free. Constantly. Get that debt away. Get it off of you. That need it in life. That have that debt. That have that debt off of you. You feel free and feel at peace. Okay? I hope this session has helped you. Thanks again for watching. And thanks again for supporting. Take care. Bye for now.